Wow. Noah, dance with Nathan. Let's see. Come on, birthday boy. Good. Hey. No. Yucky.
Can we see? Can I see, Mom?
I'm not done.
Why?
You lost it? What did you lose, Noah?
Nothing.
What did you lose, Noah?
Nothing.
It's me, Wyatt.
He lost nothing, Mom. He's Wyatt.
Hi,
I
Puppy.
was Wyatt, Mom.
Welcome to Storybrooke Village, where all our fairy tale friends live.
Noah, get up, dirty.
Ooh, Red and Pig are building a pyramid.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Come on.
Hi, Wyatt. Red and I are building a pyramid like they had in ancient Egypt. Like this. Want to help?
Mine.
Sure, Pig.
Mine.
No, ours. I found an ancient Egyptian message.
No hitting, Nathan.
It says, from your ancient Egyptian brothers, use this message to find a magical Egyptian treasure. If you dare.
We dare. We want to find an Egyptian treasure. But, what do these pictures mean?
Noah, share with Nathan. Let Nathan see too.
Can't read them.
No,
If we can't read them, we won't be able to find the Egyptian treasure.
Share with Nathan. That mine, cái đầu mày.
Calling all super eaters. Calling all super eaters. Jungle Club.
Oh, come here, Nathan. Noah's being bad.